Hello friends, welcome to our third video this week, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can get started with Microsoft Power BI. My name is Mercy Consolata Keller. Let's get started. Once Power BI desktop is open, this is how the interface looks like. So at the top you have this ribbon consisting of the File tab, Home tab, Insert tab, Modeling tab, View tab, Optimize, and Help. The Home tab gives us how to access our data, gives us how to transform our queries, how to insert visuals, how to carry out calculations, sensitivity, share. If you come to the Insert tab, you have how you can add pages, you can add new visuals, how you can incorporate in AI visuals, how you can use the Power Platform, and then how you can use elements such as shapes, text box, and the like. If you come to the Modeling tab, you have how to manage relationships, carry out calculations, page refresh, creating parameters, managing security, and then dealing with Q&A visual, no natural language processing. The View tab gives us themes which you can add to your report, gives us the different views you can use for your report, gives us the page options where to add grid lines, log objects, and the like. And then you have the show panel, you can add filters, bookmarks, you can synchronize slicers, and also monitor the performance of your visuals. Then the Optimize tab, you have ability to pause, refresh visuals. You have the report optimization. You have the performance analyzer, and then you have the ability to apply slicer buttons. Then the last tab here, we have the Help tab. This gives you documentation of Power BI, gives you some training videos, guided learning, access to community, and a bunch of other resources. So if you come to the file, you have all these, the ability to create a new report, open an existing one, save your current report, save the current report as another file, share, get data, import an existing, export data to a new file such as PDF. Then you have the options and settings, get started, the about, then the sign in. So let's go back. On our left hand side, you have these views, the report view, which is this. Then you have the table view, which basically would be displaying a table here, showing the data you have brought in. Then you have the model view, which helps us to handle relationships between the different queries or tables. On our right hand side, we have the filter pane. This allows you to add filters to visuals, to the page. Then we have next to it the visuals pane. So here you have a bunch of visuals that you can use in your Power BI report. And then the last pane is the data pane. So here, when you import your data set into Power BI, it should be displayed here. Then the last we have down here, the desktop view, the mobile layout view, and then you have the different pages. You can add a page using this. You can delete the page. So that marks the end. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel so that you're kept posted on new videos. Thank you and happy learning.